Let me show you one of the longest English words in the world. Pneumon ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Yes, this is a real English word. It is the name of a lung disease caused by breathing very fine dust from volcanoes and rocks. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can anyone spell a word this long? It looks almost impossible. But don't worry. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you a simple trick that will help you spell long and difficult English words much more easily. And that's not all. At the end of this lesson, I'll also share some amazing free apps that let you practice spelling like a fun game. So stay with me until the end because today we're going to make English spelling easy, enjoyable, and powerful. Spelling means writing the letters of a word in the correct order. If just one letter is missing or in the wrong place, the meaning of the word can change completely. For example, desert and dessert. One is a hot, dry place. The other is something sweet that you eat after a meal. That's why good spelling is so important if you want to write clear English. Many English learners think spelling is difficult. Sometimes they spell words exactly the way they hear them. But English doesn't always sound the way it is written. The good news is, you can improve your spelling with a few simple habits. Tip number 1. Read more English every day. One of the best ways to improve your spelling is by reading English every day. When you read books, short stories, newspapers, or even subtitles, your eyes keep seeing the correct spelling of words. After seeing the same words many times, your brain starts remembering them naturally. You don't have to memorize every word. Reading also teaches you how words are used in real sentences. Try reading English for just 10 minutes every day. A small habit like this can make a big difference. Tip number 2. Break long words into small parts. When you see a long English word, don't be afraid. Break it into smaller parts. Let's go back to our long word. New, mono, ultra, microscopic, silico, volcano, coniosis. It looks much easier now, doesn't it? You can use the same trick with other long words. For example, information, communication, celebration. Say each part slowly. Write each part separately. Then write the whole word. Practice this every day, and long words won't scare you anymore. Tip number 3, learn common spelling mistakes. Many English learners and even native speakers spell some words incorrectly. Some common examples are friend tomorrow beautiful, because receive these words can be confusing because the letters are not always in the order we expect. Here's an easy solution. Keep a small notebook. Every time you find a difficult word, write it down, read it, say it aloud, write it again. The more you repeat it, the easier it becomes to remember. Remember, repetition is one of the best ways to improve spelling. Tip number 4, practice with fun apps. Learning spelling doesn't have to be boring. Today, there are many free apps that help you learn while having fun. These apps include word puzzles, spelling games, and vocabulary challenges. Some excellent free apps are Wordscapes, WordTrip, Words of Wonders. Spelling Master play these games for just 10 minutes every day, and you'll improve your spelling without even realizing it. Learning to spell correctly takes time. Don't try to learn hundreds of words in one day. Start with easy words, then move on to more difficult ones. Keep reading, keep writing, keep practicing. Little by little, your spelling will become stronger every single day. Thank you for watching today's English lesson. I hope these simple spelling tips help you become a more confident English learner. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HM Slow English. Now tell me in the comments, what is the most difficult English word you have ever tried to spell? I'd love to read your answers. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning.